In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Canva website navigation bar. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable menu that helps visitors move through your site with ease. All built right inside Canva. Start by opening your website design in Canva. Your navigation bar pulls its text directly from your page titles, so that's what we'll set up first. Head into the grid view so you can see all your pages at once. You'll find the grid icon at the bottom right of the editor. This view makes it simple to manage titles, hide pages from the menu, and reorder everything in one place. On any page thumbnail, select the More icon, the three dots, and choose Add Page Title or Notes. Enter a clear short label you want to appear in your navigation, such as Home, About, or Contact. Short titles keep the menu tidy and easier to scan, especially on mobile. Repeat that for every page you want included in the navigation. If there are pages you don't want to show in the menu, maybe a thank you page or a special landing page, use the Hide Page option on that page's thumbnail. The page remains in your design, it just won't display in the navigation. Next, arrange your pages. The navigation automatically follows the same order as your pages in the editor. Still in grid view, drag and drop the thumbnails to set the order you want. A common flow is Home first, then key sections like Services or Portfolio, and Contact near the end. Keeping a logical order helps visitors find what they need faster. When your titles and order look right, preview the site. Select Preview at the top of the editor to open the website preview. At the bottom of that preview screen, enable the Include Navigation menu option. This instantly displays your titles as a clickable menu, reflecting the exact wording and order you set. Take a moment to click through each item and make sure it takes you where you expect. If you need a change, close the preview, adjust the title or order, and preview again. If everything looks good, it's time to publish. Select Share, then Publish Website. Your site will go live with the navigation menu enabled. Remember, you can always come back, tweak page titles or order, and republish to update the menu without rebuilding anything. That's it. Thanks for watching.